Yeah, okay, are you excited? Yeah, excited. This is Jocelyn for Grandbaby Cakes. Come on into the kitchen. We are making cookies today. And not just any cookies, we are making my world famous, and I'm not exaggerating there, so don't even say anything about that in the comments, world famous salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. These have been the most popular cookie on my website for years now, and people still go crazy. They say these are the best cookies they've ever had, and I tend to agree with them. So now I'm gonna show you how I make them. We are going to start with whisking together or just mixing together our dry ingredients. I've got some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add in some cornstarch. This is one of my favorite secret ingredients in this. I personally love a soft, chewy cookie, and this is definitely on that side. I'm gonna add in some salt, and I've got some baking powder and baking soda. Give that a little stir to combine everything, and then we're gonna put that right to the side right here, and we'll grab that later. And now we are gonna actually start the mixing process. I've got 2 sticks of butter, or 1 cup, and this is unsalted and it's room temperature. So now I'm gonna start adding in our sugars. For this, I've got light brown sugar and I've got granulated. That brown sugar with that hint of molasses makes these so tender and soft, and I also like that different bit of flavor as well. So I'm gonna add that right in here as well. And now I'm going to start to add in my eggs. I've got 1 whole egg, I'm gonna put that right in, and 2 egg yolks. I like a nice amount of vanilla, and make sure you're not playing around with that artificial stuff. You wanna get pure vanilla for this. Now I'm gonna slow our mixer down, and this is our dry ingredients that we mixed together earlier, so now I'm just gonna add this in a couple intervals. Now I'm gonna add in my chocolate chips. I think our dough is ready, y'all. So now I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let this set for about an hour to 2. Actually 2 hours to maybe 3 hours, or even overnight is great. But definitely the longer you let this dough chill, the better it's gonna be. It's gonna not spread as much. You're gonna get a nice chewy consistency. Just make sure that you don't skip this step. You got to chill, y'all. You gotta chill. Don't skip, chill. So I've got our dough out of the refrigerator. It's nice and chilled. I actually let this chill overnight because I just think that it makes a chewier cookie. It won't really spread that much. And I don't want it to spread that much because this is a pretty big cookie, y'all. I mean, we're talking 2 tablespoons of dough with our caramel in the inside, and you want it to be nice and hefty. So let me show you how I put it together. I've got a nice tablespoon cookie scooper. So I'm gonna scoop some of this dough, and it might be a little hard to get out, but you know, do your best. And I'm gonna put this one piece like right here for a second. And then I'm gonna scoop another piece. And then I'm gonna take 1 piece of my melted caramel. You can make a little ball, you can make a little square. So I'm gonna put this right in the center of 1 of our tablespoons of dough. Put it right in the center. And then I'm gonna put the dough on top of it. Ooh, baby. And then I'm just gonna mesh it together. So now I've got 4 massive cookies. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 14 minutes, up to 14 minutes. You can do an underbake for about 11 to 12, but definitely don't go longer than 14 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. Oh, you're still here. I guess I should have said bye. I was too busy eating. Okay, holla. See you next time. Holla back. Gotta eat, gotta eat. Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.